This right here is a $200,000 prop firm account that you can get for free, and you can actually trade with it. Okay, so all you just need to do is to complete the 20 steps listed here. Yeah, and after doing that, you upload proof to the Google form, to the provided Google form. Then once you're done doing that, you're going to get the free 200,000 prop firm accounts. Okay, yes, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so like I said before, this is a $200,000 prop firm account that we can actually get for free. Yes, you can see it right here, $200,000 funded top challenge giveaway. Okay, 20-step entry powered by what? FSAN. Okay, so what we have to do is just to complete all 20 steps. We have 20 steps right here, so we have to complete it and upload proof to the provided Google form. Okay, then we are going to receive a free $200,000 funded top accounts. Yes, so you can only qualify if you haven't received a funded top challenge through FSAN in the past. Okay, yes, so what you have to do, you have to input your name and your surname, as you can see it right here, then your email. Yes, then these are the 20 steps. We have them right here. As you can see, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the 20 steps that we are to complete. Okay, so the first one, they said we should leave a 5-star review on Forex Solutions Trust Pilot, since they made this giveaway possible. Okay, so we're just going to click on it. Yes, so this is it right here. So after giving a 5-star review, then we're just going to snap it and forward it to them. Yes, we're going to forward it to them. We're going to add file. Look at it right here. So we're just going to add it to this file right here. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do number 1. Let's click on it. So let's write a review. This is the 5-star review. Okay, so I've written a review already, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on submit review. Yes, so my review is on its way. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of it. So I'm going to be uploading it. Okay, so we're going to go back. We're going to go back. Yes, so we're going to click on add file. Then we'll click on browse right here. As you can see it, so it's going to bring this out. Then I'm just going to click on the screenshots. So it's uploading. Yes, so this is what it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, so you're going to do the same for number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, till you get to number 20. Okay, so they have different things for you to do. Number 2 says leave a 5-star review on Forex Prop Review Trust Pilot, since they made this giveaway possible. So you're going to also do that. Then number 3 says leave a 5-star review on our Trust Pilot. Let us know what you enjoyed the most, our FSAN tools, our affordable prop accounts, or our giveaway. So you're going to do that, then screenshots and upload it. So you're going to do the same for the rest. Okay, so once you're done doing that, then you're just going to click on submit right here. Yes, so you're just going to click on submit. Okay, so after clicking on submit, it's going to let you know that your response has been recorded. Okay, so you can see it. Yes, so they're also going to send an email to you congratulating and thanking you for sending the screenshots. Yes, so they're going to say you have successfully qualified for the $200,000 funded top challenge. Then you are going to provide your full name, that is your name and your surname, and your email address. Okay, and also keep in mind that you will later need to use these exact details when registering with Funded Top to ensure you qualify for the challenge. And after providing us with your details, then you can expect a welcome email to arrive within 72 hours. Yes, so a welcome email is going to arrive within 72 hours. Okay, yes, so once you receive that email, then you're just going to reply them. As you can see, it's right here. Just click on reply, then you reply them. You send your email, your full name, and your surname. Yes, so once you do that, you just have to wait for 72 hours before you receive the bonus, the welcome bonus. So that's how to go about it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also to share this video to your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Thank you.